Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how you can buy a Hostinger domain. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you it right now. First, you want to come to hostinger.com. I'll have a link in the description down below. Then you want to go over to the top right where it says domains. Go ahead and click on that. In the search bar, we're going to search for a domain we want to register. So I'll just type in Evan Does Tech and click on search, and we'll see what kind of domains that we can register. So it shows us that evandostech.net is available. We also have some other options if we scroll down as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and register this domain right here. So I'm going to click on where it says make it yours. Next is going to bring you to your cart, and you can select how long you want to register this domain for. So you could either do 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years, and then click on where it says continue. Next, you're going to need to create an account with Hostinger if you don't already have one. Next, you're going to need to enter in your billing address. And then finally, you're going to need to select a payment method. So you can use your card, you can use PayPal, Google Pay, etc. But once you go through the payment process, Hostinger will automatically register your domain for you, and you can go ahead and use it for your websites. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.